How long did your mother or grandmother take to make mayonnaise at home? Back in the days, when they needed a rather big quantity, it took probably between 30 minutes and 1 hour. And then all the magical do's and don'ts regarding how to make it. Never mix counterclockwise, never beat the spoon on the rim of the bowl. Remember how the oil had to be poured in a very thin stream, connected to the speed of the right hand that kept mixing and mixing and mixing. That is true. Apart from the old practices, this is how you actually make mayonnaise at home. And please, make it at home and try to avoid all those jars that you can buy in a supermarket, because you can never be sure on whatever they might contain. But for the last tens of years, we fortunately got Bamix and all the vertical blenders that came after that. Just look at this. Vertical cup on, 2 whole eggs. Yes, grandma, yolk and white at the same place, in the same container. What else? A teaspoon, a good teaspoon of good mustard, bit of salt, a good dash of vinegar or lemon juice if you're into that. And look at this, about 250 milliliters of vegetable oil, all in. Could you please count from the moment I start the blender until it's done? Vertical moves, up and down, a few seconds, and that's about it. If you want it thicker, just add more vegetable oil. Just look at this. Creamy, nut split, homemade, delicious mayonnaise. Mayonnaise is a stable, cold emulsion, and I'm sure you know better than me how to use it at home. Just please, don't eat it straight off the container on bread.